Today unboxing is the recent Suzuki Jimny release by Era Car Hong Kong. Big thanks to Era Car for sending this to me to review for you. They are now available at Era Car Hong Kong web store. You can refer to the link down below on where to get them, and also in my comment section. 4 Jimny in total, all in 1:64 scale. The regular Jimny in cappuccino color, the first special edition in baby blue, also another special edition with a surfboard, and lastly the Japan Fire Command car, which is my favorite, from Shita Fire Department. And now let's take a closer look at the Suzuki Jimny in cappuccino. All the Jimny comes in a standard Era Car packaging. Very nice, very realistic, and very impressive. It's clean cut, beautiful body color with a rubber wheel set including the spare wheels. What I really like is the roof rack for you to put on your accessories, which is not included. I'm very glad that it comes with an opening hood to showcase the engine compartment, which is very nice and detailed. The realistic headlights, which make this Suzuki Jimny very stunning. Next, the special edition in baby blue. The specs are totally the same as the cappuccino. The baby blue make the casting looks very refreshing. It also comes in two-tone body color in baby blue and white, rubber spare wheel, and also a similar roof rack for you to put on your accessories, which is not included in the casting. Same opening hood features to showcase the detailed compartment. Comes in the serial number of 229. Next, the off-road style special edition that comes with a surfboard. Wow, this is impressive. I like the body color in bright yellow, very nice. The off-road livery on the Jimny is very dynamic and very sporty. Even the spare wheel is labeled, unlike the other two previous Jimny. I really like the surfboard that comes with the rack. I think it's very cool. It's detachable. But the surfboard and the rack comes in one unit. Similar opening features that showcase the engine compartment, and that's great. And here's the special number for the limited edition. Next, the Japan Fire Command car, which is also the actual Jimny for the Shita Fire Department in Japan. I think Era Car did an excellent job on this Jimny, because this is the perfect replica for the actual Jimny in 1:64 scale. I'm not really a fan for fire cars or fire truck, but this is definitely a must-have. Being small and nimble, the Jimny is able to transport fire equipment in the tough terrain, and that's very impressive. This casting is really the winner. You can see the Japan crest on the front, which is very detailed. The impressive light bar with the Shita Fire Department label on it. The actual rack on the roof in silver color, similar to the 1:1. And not forgetting the opening hood, which is really a bonus. In conclusion, this series is a must-have, and I think Era Car did an excellent job. Stay tuned for more Era Car unboxing, and remember to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!